to my video. I wanted to post this for a while, but it has been gay. So what we're looking at is my strategy, which is far better than TGR strategy, which is dead, better than ICT strategy, which is dead. Even though I got it from them, I created my own flow. I was in my room when I created this strategy. So right now we're waiting for price to sweep previous session lows. So we mark out the lows, Asian lows. Because I trade both sessions because this thing always hits, it always drops. So why not make double the amount of money? So put you up the lines and those Asian lows already there's a indicator that you can use, but I'm not gonna keep it just for now until so you mark out the lows, put the liquidity there. I don't put the liquidity like red liquidity because it's liquidity. It's gay. So what we're doing right now is basically marked out the lows. So those lows I recommend go on a higher time frame. They could do it easily. After marking out those lows. After marking those lows, you go to a lower time frame where you actually see the sweep of liquidity. Wait for price to sweep the liquidity as I'm showing there. If it doesn't sweep, it's gain. It's power's fault. It's not our fault. Wait for price to sweep and retrace and go back into the zone. Wait for price to sweep. We need to sweep. It has to sweep those lows. If it doesn't sweep, nothing won't do. Because you have a bad strategy. Maybe someone's stop loss is there. So that's why you always wait for price to sweep. Maybe someone's chip is there at liquidity. Wait for price to actually sweep. Take out those stop losses, FTPs, and that's what it. So after price sweeps, I wait for price to like normally after it sweeps, it always release up, shoots up to make $1 million, buy a Pagani, sell. So price swept. So when price sweeps, like you should pay attention to this. It's very important. When price sweeps, you should mark out like highs, like mini highs, mini liquidity highs, where like it's your second key point before you enter the trade. Is to mark out liquidity highs, wait for price to sweep, go and then take those highs, take them out, reverse, just like a reversal, and wait for price to reverse back into that, like to go down below that liquidity line. Please remember, mark out the chart. If you don't mark out, like what you do again, what is up again? Wait for price to sweep and go back. When it goes back, that's when you enter. I recommend you to enter when it goes back. Like when it spikes up, like it normally goes down. Like during the same candle, like if you see that price is moving fast and you don't want to miss the trade, like when price reverses down, is the candle, normally after a spike, the same candle, like it reverses and becomes a bearish candle. That's when you end. But for this trade, it wasn't gay, so like it was nice. So I entered those buys there, and price really dropped straight. That's what you want to do, and you should always have to take profits where you choose to take out half of your position. I don't recommend having one full TP because the market is gay and power just decides to liquidate the market or do something gay, liquidate all your positions. Making orders for the day. So they recommend you to have 2 GPs. So after price goes onto your first GP, take out half a position and hold the other half. And while you're holding, I think I recommend for you to trim your stop losses to profits. Yeah, so GP should normally be the Asian highs, like the previous Asian highs, because that's how price moves. It goes from liquidity to liquidity in the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. That's what normally happens. Yeah, this is how you make $1 billion. This is how I'm gonna buy my again. The same thing here. Like, yeah, when I was recording, I need to put my voice. The mic was gay. Yeah, it's the same thing. Basically, the same thing. Like, if you're listening, you want to here. When price sweeps, to sweep the previous session highs, go to a gay liquidity zone, goes there, goes back up, enter your sales. Like, I recommend you just back test. It's easy. Like, you make more money than anyone to work right now. Be as rich as Elon Musk, like in 3 years, you just keep full margin every trade. But I don't recommend that because you're not a gambler, you're a trader. So yeah, this is how it really works. So for me, I don't know what I was doing there. My TP was supposed to be a previous session lows, free. The price couldn't move that far down after having such a bullish momentum. But I should have known better that S&P 500 is gay and it normally doesn't follow trends and stuff. So next time I would also recommend you to do the same thing as I did. But next time I also recommend for all of us to have 2 GPs. I should have held half of my other position so that you could have done the same. So this is right now where I am is like 10 of 10. So wait for price to sweep. Yeah, it's basically the same thing. Yeah, as you can see here, price did not sweep the Asian highs. So what normally happens or it's like this is that there might have been an SMT divergence on the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. So when it's gay and doesn't sweep, normally check the pair that moves the same as the pair that you are trading, and normally it's an SMT divergence. And as you can see, price swept on the Nasdaq, so you enter on the S&P, you enter your sales. As you can see, you mark out the liquidity, enter shorts here. I didn't enter on my account because it's NFP today. I don't recommend trading news, but if you really want to trade news, just use my strategy. But you don't trade Nasdaq, you trade gold. Gold, you use a lot of money. So you trade gold, you wait for price to do what you want. You enter those sales, and you chop. So yeah, that was my god. My god, winning score, Asian lows, knock them all out. So yeah, right now I'm just patient again. So that's patient. So like if you don't follow my strategy, yeah, you guys give this pay except the USD. So we buy groups to trend. We've been seeing that XRP is buying to 10,000 to remember it doesn't bought FNP. I don't know what's FNP. It's useless. You have if you have XRP, just have more money in this point, guys. Just I know there's no further anything. I'll keep you posted. Yeah, I'll wait for TV to hit because I know it's it. That's an hour. I'll tell you guys. I'll tell you guys how much I could have possibly made from this trip if I entered it. Yeah, but serve up and don't be gay because that's what needs most of the people.